Hello guys, I am back with a new game called Helicopter Hostility. There is a lot of stuff in the background, I'm very sorry, so yeah, let's just go guys. I think I'm gonna have to just like stay alive here. You see, okay, see, it was a draw that round, so, yeah, see, it's draw.
What? Uzi, you know they can go to level 3, right? With R1.
See, we are still just trying to kill each other. See, he scored one already. I'm going against the computer. Yeah, see. And just like that. This is basically the game. Crap, I thought I could, like, signal him out. Boom! Fluff!
Ready, go!
I am freaking fluff, guys. This video might go on for a while. I just really want to beat this sucker. You see, that's how easy it is to die. I'm pretty sure that's the first one to 5. See, and he's won. It is the first one to 5. Let me just skip this video. I know it's please. And then let's go opponent. That's just the computer thing. That was an easy one. I'm not even playing, guys. It's just the computer now. I just want to see how this works. So yeah. Yeah, right now, Red is winning. Like how he was winning me. So basically, we need to get different choppers or helicopters. Is that if that's how you want to say it? Oh, that was a close one for blue. Oh, draw. Nobody won that round. That's kind of unfortunate. So, yeah. Like, boom. Another draw. That could have been one for blue, but he didn't move out of the way in time. Boom. That was an easy one for blue. That's why he's won that round. And, yeah. This is basically the whole game. I don't know. I might...
Look what they put fall up.
Okay, guys. I am back. Just have to pause the recording for a little bit. Someone is talking to me. I didn't want you guys to hear that, so... Oh, wow!
Ready, go!
It's amazing that I get to do this. I just started my YouTube channel, and I thought I would be able to get to record games. I'm using an app to record all the games, so that's how I'm recording all of this right now. I'm not really using any cameras, and Red wins everything. That's basically the whole game, guys. We do not be one. How do I know? It can be USA. It can be China. Oh wow, we have so many other options. I didn't even know. It's like we have so many other options. I think I want to be USA, Russia, China, USA. We have 2 USAs. Let's be India. That looks pretty cool.
This way.
Fluff, I forgot how that works. Okay, guys, I am now ready to play. Boom! Oh yes, that is one for me. Finally, stop. Finally, I have won one. Now I feel. Stop. Sorry, guys, I had to restart. My stupid little brother was annoying me. Sorry about that. And that's how I'm losing now.
Ready, go!
I'm losing to a dang computer. At least I got one finally.
Ready, go!
See, that's how I lose. That's not very fair. Like, this is my first time playing the game, too. Seriously. That's what's wrong. Oh, that was so close. Boom! Yes, don't die, don't die.
Ready, go!
Ah! Let's keep trying, guys. We will eventually win one. I will not stop this video until I actually freaking win one. That was just a draw. Sorry guys, I was looking for something. I didn't want any copyright, but I tried to turn on, but I didn't win. So I'm just going to be China now. Let's go! There's really no confusing. It's literally just going to be the same thing, guys. But I think that the shopper is just really cool. I'm not stopping this video until I win the next. Seriously, guys, I'm not. See, it's 3-0 already. I'm losing. You see what happens? Still 4-0. I would like to get one at least. Of course, that's not going to happen. Yes! I got one. I got one. That's an accomplishment on its own. This game's pretty dang hard. Great. Ooh, I got dodgers though. Oh yes! Ooh, I started out with the win. Okay, that one's just a draw. That's good. I didn't want to lose already. Oh gosh, tied. I do not want to lose. I do not want to lose this one. I really want to win. Yes. Yes, I'm winning. It's actually very amazing. I'm pretty sure I've never actually been winning before. Yes, draw. Yes. Sorry guys, I just had to do something really quickly. Now let's keep going. Now he's winning. Very unfortunate. I was just winning earlier. Now I'm losing. Yes, I won! Yes, okay, about 2 more, and now I'm losing. Please, I need to win one so I can end this video off. Sorry guys, I'm just not ending this video until I win. I'm not kidding, I'm not ending it off until I win. Guys, you don't know how hard this really is. Yes, tied. Let's keep this lead. Yes. Now we are winning. See if we can make it a 2-score lead. Yes. Draw. I thought I won that round. Really wasn't though. Okay, now he's tied it up. It's very unfortunate. Let's see if we can take back the lead, guys. Yes, okay, draw. Not a lead, but we still haven't lost yet. That's unfortunate. I should have shot my rocket if the game did let me. Let's see. I'm going to lose again, aren't I? I know I am, guys. Yeah, okay, draw. Nobody won that round. What if this actually happened in real life, guys? Like, seriously, I'm not kidding. Like, what if actually people are actually fighting each other with helicopters shooting rockets at each other, like, to win a dang war? Like, seriously, that would just be so stupid. Wait a second, guys. Okay, I'm sorry. I have to choose a new rocket. Helicopter. That one doesn't look very good. I hear it. Oh, now let's say that. I don't know if I can get that out. Hopefully nobody heard that. Hopefully nobody's going to hear that. I don't need anybody. I don't know what's up. Also, America. Okay, guys. That came out really bad. I'm already losing. Okay, we're gonna lose that one, so. Oh, seriously, not stop this video until I win one, guys. This video can be an hour long. I might not win. I don't know. We don't know. I don't know how long this video is going to be, though. No. Last one. If I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. Okay? Yeah, that's how it's going to go. Let's get some new ones. I'm going to be Russia, I guess. Russia. Let's see. Let's see if this will do anything for me. Boom. Round 1, 1.
Ready, go.
Draw. Good. Cool.
Ready,
That's
go.
nice. Yes, never died. Crap, tied it.
Ready, go.
Yes, winning. Super good.
Ready, go.
Man, the way I end up this video might be bad or might be good. I don't know. I know that this is the longest video I have recorded. And looks like... Okay, good. What? He died. Really?
Ready, go.
And that's how many... No, forget this. I'm doing one more. Guys, you do not know how mad I am. Let's just do one more. Last one. I'm telling you guys, this will be the last one. So I know that you guys have other... I know that you guys have other people to watch in the morning. I'm pretty sure that you guys don't do anything in the morning. Like I do. I watch YouTube in the morning. I make videos in the morning. This is what I'm going to be doing. Yeah. This is what I'm going to be doing. That's a draw. Let's see if we can win or lose. I'm pretty sure I'm going to lose though. This one does not look close. Ooh. Just got one cheeky one. Something. And just like that, I'm losing again. Apparently this is the way I'm going to end off our video, apparently. Okay. Well then. This is Helicopter Hostility. I will be doing another game in, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes probably. I'm just going to keep looking for games for you guys. And, well, bro.